Hello, my friends. Let's talk about a new AI software called Luminar Neo for photo editing with AI, artificial intelligence. It's very easy, and as you can see, with some tools like Gen Swap, you can erase and swap the objects from your scene, and it has lots of feature here. Let's talk about some of them. Like a Gen erase, you can erase object just with brushing them from your scene, and the software does everything for you like this. It's really interesting. Gen expand, if you have a photo and you want to expand it, it's automatically doing for you. Look at this, or you can expand this part and create other part of photo for you. Interesting. Gen swap, for Gen swap, it can swap something or replace something from another image to another image. Very simple. Here you can type your turtles, for example, or anything. It's the AI. You can type anything that you want, and the software does it for you. It has a lot of features. For sky, I love it. As you can see, you can change the sky, any sky that you want, and it does automatically for you, and it creates reflection. Nice. Another feature for Luminar Neo is Enhance AI. You can enhance your image like this. Actually, you can create another image from your mother image. Or relight, you can create a light to your scene. Wow, nice. This software is very powerful. And for example, for erase, as I said before, you can erase any object with just simple brushing. Powerful. And super contrast, for example, this image, you can give a super contrast to your color to better see the difference between trees, for example, here. And oh, this run rays is very interesting. You can create a sun rays. You can see that it detected trees. Interesting. Another feature of that is atmosphere. You can add any atmosphere in your scene. It automatically AI detected the depths. Interesting. Neon glow. You can add neon glow to your object on your scene with just one brushing. With masking, it detected your object in a scene like human, cars. Studio light, it's very interesting. You can add light to your objects, for example, like this. Interesting. With just one click. And the most important and usable thing is face retouch. You can, or changing the face, eye, lips, anything that you want. Changing everything, and then you can see the difference. Wow. You can do anything in your face. Skin, yeah, you can use a skin retouch or anything that you want to make higher quality of your skin. Wow, as you can see, it's create all of these stuffs. Portrait bokeh and lots of more. You can refer to your website and see all of this setting feature here. For example, we have sub plugin. It gives you every month a new plugin to use. For example, panorama. You can create one image from the panorama, or magic light. As you can see, you can create light, or super sharp. This is a blur image. You can sharp it, or focus stacking, or upscale. It's very interesting. AI upscale. You can increase the number of the pixel to better quality. For example, it's a bad quality of image, it's a higher quality. Or background removal. It's very powerful. You can see it's removing background. Or as you can see, we have noisy image that it's completely remove all of these noises with this plugin, and lots of other features that you can see. Okay, in the next lesson of this category, I want to explain all of these settings. For example, here you can see skin changes here, light, lips, eye. Now we can change it, skin, or lots of it has plugin for Photoshop, Lightroom, and in most other platforms that you can use. If you want, you can buy this software or use trial version for 1 week. Okay, let's start to be learning this software, this powerful software.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.